Welcome to Fluent English Daily, the professional way to master the English.
Oh no! My coffee! It is everywhere!
John, are you okay? Did you just trip over that box on the floor?
Yes. I was trying to catch a fly and, well, I am not very fast.
Oh, John, you sound just like Tom from the Tip Top Trading Office. Today we have a very dramatic story for our listeners.
A story? Does it involve falling down like I just did?
Yes! Tom tries to catch a tiny mouse, but he ends up on the floor with a hurt arm.
Oh dear. Now his boss says he must follow the rules and fill out an official accident report.
It is a legal process. We will see how the team finds the real reason for the accident. It was not actually the mouse.
I really need to learn this. I do not want to fall down again.
Exactly! By the end of this journey, you will know exactly how to describe an accident and talk about safety at work.
We will learn the 4 important questions for every report.
Stay with us for the full 30 minutes. You will feel much more confident speaking English in the office.
Let's get started. Before I trip again,
Take a deep breath, John. Are you feeling better now? Your fall earlier was quite a shock.
Yes, Emily, I am fine now. My knee hurts a little bit, but I am okay. I am just a little embarrassed.
Oh, do not be embarrassed. Accidents happen to everyone, even in the most professional offices, like Tip Top Trading.
That makes me feel much better. So, tell me more about this office. What was happening before the accident?
Well, it was a normal morning. The sun was shining through the windows. Anna was working hard at her desk. Denise was probably on the phone. It felt very calm.
I like calm mornings. But then, the mouse appeared?
Yes, a tiny grey mouse. It ran across the floor. Tom saw it first, and you know Tom. He wants to be the hero of the office.
Oh, did he try to talk to it, or did he jump on a chair?
No, he did not jump on a chair. He decided he was going to catch it. He looked at the mouse. The mouse looked at him.
A standoff, like a movie.
Exactly. Tom started moving very slowly. He was creeping across the carpet. He was trying to be as quiet as a cat.
Is he close? Is he going to grab it?
He was very close. The mouse was near a stack of boxes. Tom thought, "This is my moment." He took a big breath. He reached out his hands, and then he lunged.
Oh no!
Yes, exactly that sound. Tom did not catch the mouse. Instead, he tripped. He went flying through the air.
Oh, poor Tom. Did he hit the desk?
He hit the floor. Hard. He landed right on his arm. It sounded very painful, John.
Is he okay? Did he break anything?
He was groaning on the floor. Ow! My arm! My poor arm! He cried. Everyone ran to help him. Anna looked very worried.
And what about the mouse? Did the mouse stay to help?
No, John. The mouse was long gone. It ran away as soon as Tom hit the floor. It was the smartest character in the story.
So Tom is on the floor. His arm hurts. What happens next? Does someone call a doctor?
Well, Anna was trying to help him stand up, but then the door opened. It was Paul, the boss.
Oh, the boss. Was he angry about the noise?
Paul is a very interesting boss. He did not look angry. He looked serious. He walked over to Tom and looked down at him.
Did he say, "Are you okay, Tom?"
He did. But then he said something even more important. He said, "Tom, we have a major problem. This is a workplace accident. We must follow the law."
The law? For a little fall?
Yes. Paul explained that every accident must be recorded. It is called health and safety compliance.
That sounds like a lot of big words, Emily. Compliance?
It just means following the rules, John. Paul told them that because Tom got hurt, they must fill out an official accident report.
But Tom is in pain. Why talk about paperwork now?
That is what Anna thought too. But Paul was very firm. He said, "Anna, please go to the company intranet. Find the accident report form immediately."
The intranet? Is that like the internet?
Almost. It is a private website just for the people who work at the company. It has all the rules and forms they need.
So Anna had to leave Tom on the floor to find a website? That seems a bit cold.
Well, Tom was sitting in a chair by then. He was holding his arm and looking very sad. Anna went to her computer. She was clicking and searching.
Did she find it easily?
She was trying. She said, "I am looking under safety. No, maybe under incidents?" She was getting a bit stressed. Paul was standing behind her, waiting.
I hate it when people stand behind me while I use the computer. It makes me so nervous.
"Me too," Paul kept saying. "It is very important, Anna. We need to answer the 4 questions."
4 questions? What are they?
Paul said every report needs these 4 things. 1. How did the accident happen? 2. What was the cause? 3. Were there any injuries? And 4. This is the big one. How could it be avoided?
How did it happen? He was chasing a mouse. Cause? The mouse. Injuries? His arm. Avoided? Do not chase mice.
You make it sound so simple, John. But the office team was about to find out that it was not that simple.
Why not?
Well, Anna finally found the link. She said, "Aha, here it is. The Tip-Top Trading Accident Report form."
Great! Now they can finish it and Tom can go home.
Anna clicked the link. The little circle on the screen started spinning and spinning and spinning.
Oh no. Slow internet?
Even worse. Anna's face went white. She looked at the screen and then looked at Paul.
What happened?
She said, "Paul, the website is asking for a special safety password, and I do not know it."
A password? But it is an emergency.
Paul looked confused. "A password? I do not remember a password." He started looking through his pockets for a piece of paper.
This is terrible. Tom is sitting there with a hurt arm and they are stuck on a login screen.
It gets worse, John. Tom started to look very pale. He said, I think I am going to be sick."
Oh no, Tom!
Anna was typing passwords as fast as she could. Safety 123, password, Tip-Top 1. But nothing worked. The screen just said, "Access denied."
This is a disaster. What if they can never open the form? Will Paul get in trouble with the law?
Paul was starting to sweat. He said, "If we do not file this report today, the inspectors will be very unhappy. We could be fined."
Poor Tom. He is the one who is hurt, but everyone is worried about the paperwork.
Welcome to the world of office work, John. It is all about the forms.
So they are stuck. Tom is hurt. The mouse is gone. And the computer says no.
Exactly. It was a very tense moment in the Tip-Top Trading office. Everyone was looking at the computer screen.
I hope they find that password soon. I really want to know what the real cause of the accident was. You said it was not the mouse.
It was not. But they have to open that form first to find out.
Well, while they look for that password, maybe we should take a break? My brain is full of all these new words.
That is a great idea, John. Let's pause the story for a moment. We need to look at some of the words we just used.
Yes, words like compliance and intranet. I need to learn those before I fall down again.
Okay, John. Let's look at our vocabulary list for today. Okay, John. Let's take a breath. That was a lot of stress. Everyone was shouting and Tom was feeling so sick.
I am still worried about Tom and that password. It is so stressful when the computer says access denied. But you are right. I need to calm down and learn these words.
That is the spirit. Let's start with a word Paul used. He talked about compliance.
Compliance? It sounds very official and a bit scary.
It is not too scary, John. Compliance just means following the rules. In an office, there are many rules from the government. When you follow them, you are in compliance.
Oh, so if Paul follows the safety rules, he is in compliance.
Exactly. It is about being safe and doing what the law says you must do.
Okay, I think I understand. And what about the place where Anna was looking for the form? The intranet? It sounds like the internet.
It is very similar, John. An intranet is like a private internet. It is a website that only the people in one company can see.
Ah, I see. So I cannot see the tip-top trading intranet from my house.
No, you cannot. It is just for the employees. That is where they keep all their secret files and the accident report.
I think I know that one. A report is a paper with information, right? So an accident report is a paper you fill out when someone gets hurt.
Yes, that is right. It is a form that asks questions. It asks, what happened? And who was hurt? It helps the company understand how to stay safe.
And Paul said filling out the report was mandatory. He sounded very serious when he said that.
It is a very strong word, John. Mandatory means you have to do it. You have no choice.
Let me think of an example, like wearing a seatbelt in a car?
Yes, exactly. Wearing a seatbelt is mandatory. Or stopping your car at a red light. It is the law. You cannot say no.
So Paul has to fill out that form, even if he forgets the password and even if he is in a hurry.
Yes. If he doesn't do it, the company might have to pay a lot of money as a fine.
Okay. Compliance, intranet, accident report, and mandatory. I am writing them down in my notebook right now.
Well done, John. You are a very good student.
Thank you, Emily. Now, can we please get back to the story? I am so nervous. I need to know if they find that password. Poor Tom is waiting.
Okay. Let's see if Anna can remember the password. But first, let's practice using these words yourself.
Okay, John. Let's practice these words together, slowly, to keep you calm. The shelf is very heavy.
The shelf is very heavy.
My phone is stuck under there.
My phone is stuck under there.
The box was the cause of the fall.
The box was the cause of the fall.
The shelf is shaking now.
The shelf is shaking now.
We must be very careful.
We must be very careful.
Don't forget the accident report.
Don't forget the accident report.
Safety is the most important thing.
Safety is the most important thing.
Store the boxes away properly.
Store the boxes away properly.
You did great, John. You sound much calmer now.
I feel a little better, but the shelf is still moving. Oh no.
John, look out! The shelf is tilting forward.
It's going to fall. Help me.
All right, let's get back to the story. Oh, that was so scary. But wait, before we finish, we have a question for you today.
Yes, we want to know, have you ever had an accident at work?
Maybe you fell down like Tom in the video, or maybe you dropped something heavy.
You can answer like this. Yes, I tripped over a box once. Or, no, I am always very careful at my office.
Please tell us your story in the comments. It is a great way to keep learning. Let's keep the conversation going. That was a lot of excitement for one day, wasn't it, John?
It really was, but I am glad we are safe now and calm.
Me too. Remember, stay careful and keep practicing your English with us.
We will see you next time for more stories. Goodbye, everyone.
Goodbye for now.
Congratulations on making it all the way through the lesson with Emily and John. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the subscribe button right in the center of your screen so you never miss our next lesson. You can also check out more videos right over here on the left or right side. We've picked them just for you. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.